Hello, my name is Adesh Nikam, and I recently completed 45 days internship program with eVision, and I would like to share my experience and feedback about the program. So the internship was highly valuable learning experience for me, and during these 45 days, I gained practical knowledge of Windows administration, Active Directory, then ITIL, and some CCNA basics. The training was hands-on and industry-oriented, which helped me to understand how IT support function work in real-world environments. So one of the most beneficial aspect of the program was mock interviews and soft skill trainings. So these sessions significantly improved my communication skills and boosted my confidence and prepared me effortlessly for professional job interviews. And the trainer was uh, extremely supportive, knowledgeable, and always willing to help. So in those sessions, they explained every concept in a simple and practical manner. It makes easy to understand and implement. So I would like to express my sincere gratitude to recruiter Sati ma'am for her continuous guidance and encouragement and support throughout the process. And with the help of that, it helped me to secure a position as a desktop support engineer at a Tech Mahindra. Thank you.